Hi and welcome back to Garfin's Creation. We're making this no bake healthy granola bars. With just a few simple ingredients, you can make them, store them and have them any time of the day when you feel like snacking on something healthy. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients and I mentioned them in the description box as well. This is 1.5 cup of soft dates which have been chopped and 1.5 cup of oats. I have used Quaker Oats, you can use roll oats as well. Taken some mixed berries and prunes as well. Some dry fruits like badam, pista, cashew nuts and walnuts. For the seeds, here I have sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds and black and white sesame seeds as well. We have some honey, salt and vanilla essence to add up to the flavor. So we need to prep up some things, and here I have chopped the dry fruits into smaller pieces. The mixed berries too have been chopped into smaller pieces. And now we'll be making a paste of the prunes and the dates. So this is got a kg of dates which have been chopped. This will help in grinding them to a nice fine paste. Just grind them without any water. Adding prunes to this mixture is completely optional and you can replace it with the dates as well. But it adds a nice tangy taste to these oat bars. After taking it out in the bowl, we'll keep it aside for some time. Next, we need to dry roast the nuts as well. On medium to low flame, we will just dry roast them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the nuts are roasted well, we will take them off and add the seeds to be roasted. Dry roast the seeds as well for just a minute. Next, we need to dry roast the oats as well. On low flame, keep moving it so that it does not get burned, and it takes about 2 to 3 minutes. When it's just about to change color, and you can also feel it when it gets a little crispy when touched. Once this is done, we can now combine all the ingredients together. So now we'll just put all the dry ingredients together in a bowl. Along with the oats, we'll also be adding the seeds, the nuts, the berries too. As for the berries, you can take any berries of your choice. Also add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now give this all a nice mix. These bars, you can add any nuts, berries of your choice. Now keep that aside, and into the ground dates and prunes paste, be adding 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I will just mix all these ingredients. Doing so, the dates will get a little bit more softer. And that will help in mixing all the other ingredients too together. Now once this is mixed, we'll be adding all those oats and dry nuts into this. Now we'll need to use the hands and mix it and combine it together. These snack bars or granola bars are so easy to make. You can customize the flavors as well, and they are so easy to carry and store. And they are a perfect snack to fuel your busy days when you do not have time to make something healthy to snack on. We can also carry them along with you while traveling and also add it to gift hampers. Now once that is mixed well, here I have taken a 8x6 cake tin which I have lined with some butter paper. Now just add the granola mix into the cake tin and spread it evenly, even to the corners. I also shared a video on how to make healthy muesli bars which is already on my channel. You can check that video link here on top too. So after adding all the granola mix into the tin, we need to press it really nice and firm. As we will be cutting out bars from this later, just press it nice, smooth and hard. You can use the back of a spoon or a glass too to make it smooth. I had kept aside some berries, seeds and nuts. So I'll be just adding this on top so that these bars looks beautiful as well. Once you have just added that, we need to press it into the granola bars. So using the back of a spoon or a steel katori like this, just press it hard so that it sticks to the granola and that gets a little firm too. Press the corners as well. And once this is done, to get good pieces, we'll just keep it in the fridge for just 1 hour. Doing so, it sets and gets firm. So after 1 hour in the fridge, you can just get it out and cut it into pieces. Since this is 8x6 cake tin, I'll be dividing this into 1 by 3 inches granola bars size. You can cut out any size of your choice. Only just use a nice sharp knife, as this is a little bit hard to cut. Once you have cut this, you can pack them individually in some butter paper. Store them in an airtight box. Since we have not used any preservatives, this remains good for 1 week at room temperature outside and 2 to 3 weeks in the fridge. These homemade granola bars are so versatile, nutritious and cost-effective alternatives to the store-bought snacks. You can also control the sweetness and the ingredients in these homemade granola bars. These are so healthy and nutritious that you'll keep on snacking on them any time of the day. I hope you'll be trying this recipe. Don't forget to leave your comments once you have tried this recipe. Thanks for watching, and do like and share this recipe with others too. And don't forget to subscribe to Garfin's Creation for more such lovely recipes. I'll see you soon in some other interesting recipes too. Till then, take care and bye-bye.